friends, this is our new chapter, circle. In this chapter we are going to define the circle. So let us explain what is circle first. A circle, it is a simple closed curve whose all points are at the same distance from the fixed point in a plane is called a circle. Now, while explaining, there is a fixed point in this plane. What is plane? Plane is a flat surface which extends in all directions. Suppose this board is a plane. Here I have given this point on this plane, and this one is a plane, and the point is fixed point. And suppose these are all points at a fixed distance. Suppose this one is at 2 centimeter, this one 2, this one 2. All the points are at the same distance. When so many points are at the same distance, when points are close to each other, we will get a curve. Suppose all the points are in the same way at fixed distance, 2 centimeter from this fixed point in this plane, then the curve we are getting is like this. Then figure is formed is a circle, right? A simple closed curve whose all points, means the points on this all curve are at same distance. यहाँ से सभी पॉइंट्स सेम डिस्टेंस पर रहेंगे, जो कि एक प्लेन पर रहेंगे, उसको हम सर्कल कहते हैं. और ये फिक्स पॉइंट, सपोज आई हैव नेम्ड दिस एज O, इट इज नोन एज center of circle, and this curve is known as circumference. This closed curve is as circumference, and point fix is as a center of circle. So let us take the elements of circle, means which elements involved in this circle. Okay, this one is a circle, and now we are going to define one more term, that is radius of a circle. What is the radius of a circle? It is a distance of a segment which joins the center of circle and any point on the circumference. What? This is a closed curve and named as a circumference. Now we are going to call it as a circumference. This one, suppose this one is the point and named as A, right? And the distance from O to A, when I join this distance is known as radius. It is a distance or a segment which joins center of circle to any point on its circumference. For example, here OA is radius. Okay, for this figure OA is a radius. Likewise, we can construct so many radius mentioning the points on its circumference. Suppose B point is there, OB will be radius, C point is there, OC will be radius, and suppose here D point is there, OD will be radius. Likewise, so many radius we can construct in a circle. Next term, there is chord. What is chord? Just like a radius, the another term is there, chord. So this one is a fixed point named as O. Chord. What is chord? Chord is a segment, which joins any 2 point of its circumference. It is a segment which joins any 2 points of its circumference. सर्कमफ्रेंस की कोई भी 2 पॉइंट ज्वाइन करने वाले सेगमेंट को हम कहते हैं कॉर्ड. अब ये कैसे रहेंगे? सपोज हियर इट 1 पॉइंट mentioned as A. Suppose one more point is here mentioned as B, and the segment which joins A and B point is known as chord. In the same way, I can take so many points PQ, and the segment which joins the point PQ is also a chord. Suppose here is a point X and here is a point Y. When I join this X and Y, this is also a chord. L and M is here, and if I join this L and M, while joining this L and M, I need to pass the segment through the center of circle. For this condition also, ML is a chord, but as it passes from the center of circle, it will be a biggest chord. Yes, it will be a biggest chord. The point L and M on its circumference, when I join this, it passes from the center of circle. And as it passes from the center of circle, the chord LM is the biggest chord of this circle. And for this circle, this biggest chord is named as chord LM is diameter of circle. It is a diameter of a circle. Before this chord, we have seen the radius. What was the radius? A radius was a segment which joins the center of circle to the point on its circumference. Means any points on its circumference. Means OM will be radius, OL will be radius. Means for this diameter ML, 2 times radius is involved here. Means OM and OL are the radius. Means diameter is 2 times of radius. This one is the relation between the diameter and radius. Just we have seen that diameter is 2 times of a radius. So what is diameter? diameter. What is diameter? Diameter, it is a segment which joins any 2 point of its circumference and passes through its center is called as a diameter. Is as a diameter. Here in this figure, ML segment, ML is diameter. Okay, this is the definition of diameter. A segment which joins any 2 points of its circumference and passes through its center is called as a diameter. Here in this figure, segment ML is a diameter. So, this was the terms regarding circle. The first, the radius. What is radius? Radius, it is a segment which joins the center of circle and any point on its circumference. What is chord? Chord is a segment which joins any 2 points on its circumference, and a diameter is a segment which joins any 2 points on its circumference and when it passes through the center, that chord is called as a diameter, and diameter is a 2 times of a radius. We have seen this much. For any circle, suppose there are so many circles are there. So many circles. One relation has been found here. Right? What is the relation? We have seen the term diameter and also circumference. For any circle, suppose this one and this one and this one, the circumference and diameter is different for all these 3 circles. When a ratio has been taken, what is CIRCUMFERENCE, circumference and diameter, इन दोनों का जब रेशियो लिया गया for any circle, the constant value has been found and it is named as pi. For any circle, we studied the ratio between circumference and diameter. We got the constant value, that is pi, and the value of pi is always 22/7. Okay. Regarding this value, it is fixed for any circle. On this basis, the formula is explained here. circumference is given by a formula that is 2 pi into r. R, what is r? Here r is radius, right? Circumference is given by 2 pi r. In other way, it can be mentioned as pi d. What is d? 2 times of r is nothing but diameter. D is, okay. This was enough for the formula, and in next video we will see the exercise regarding this for 7th chapter, that is circle. So till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.